Hey folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and what we have here is a 1965 Plymouth Belvedere II. And we got a big block in it, 440 Super Commando. Now obviously the 440 didn't come in a 65, so that's been transplanted in. So I got an aftermarket ignition on it, aftermarket radiator, headers. All right, nice little street machine. Got the weld wheels on it. Got a B&M floor shifter. You don't see those anymore. It's a good driver quality car. Not bad at all. Haven't put a magnet on it, but it looks like we don't have any rust in the lower quarters. Of course, you'd have to put a magnet on it to be sure. Right, decent little old car right here. I like this. Real easy to see all those gauges. My goodness, I mean, so they just did things right back in the days. A shift light on the tack. I think it's safe to say he does some spirited driving. Got a period correct hood scoop. Was that like the Hemi scoop they had back in the A990 cars or something, I believe?
Oh, I'm next to we're looking from the church. Oh, I see you. I'm wearing a...
Right, decent little car. I like that. I know that's the third time I've said that, but I do like this car. I really do. You know, I thought that was a manual box, but I see the hoses right there as before I smoke. Caught myself. Yeah, he's got the air cleaner sealed to the hood scoop. Tough to drive on a rain day. Alright folks, I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're just going to move on and see what else we can come up with.